In this question, you have to identify the location or the site where capacitation of sperm occurs. Option A, epididymis. This is incorrect because it is the site where the sperm mature and gain motility. Option B, fast difference. Now it is also incorrect because fast difference transports sperm during ejaculation. Option B, female reproductive tract. Now capacitation, it occurs in the female reproductive tract, specifically in the uterus and the fallopian tubes. And it involves biochemical and physiological changes in the sperm, such as removal of glycoprotein from their plasma membrane, making them capable of penetrating and fertilizing the egg. Hence, this is the correct option. Option D, retitestis. It is also incorrect because retitestis is involved in collecting and transporting sperm from the seminiferous tubules to the epididymis.